Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 4th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and action can be from your side also. And if it is not resonating, not your story at all, because it's a general reading. Okay, cool. Let's start, Sagittarius. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the Nine of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Four of Cups. This person is trying to be as practical as they can from their side, as logical as they can from their side. They're hurt, they have their boundaries up, walls up, and they're very disappointed, emotionally disappointed. But instead of facing their feelings and connecting with the truth of the situation, this person is trying to be very logical about the situation, very logical and very practical. So they feel like whatever is happening, they can't change it. But instead of crying about it, or instead of facing their feelings or being sad about it, they should use their logic, they should use their mind and be practical about whatever is happening. They feel like they got the mental clarity, they got the truth of the situation, that this is disappointing and this is kind of forcing them to keep their walls up. But at the same time, they feel like they should just remain practical and logical about it, instead of going all like, oh my god, I should die, this is no. Yeah, so they don't feel like creating drama, they feel like being very logical and practical. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? दिल मेरा पेश करूं. Wow. Okay, they feel they want to move on from the situation for sure, but they're waiting for the tower moment. They're waiting for something to happen here, like suddenly, unexpectedly, something is going to happen that's going to force them to move on from the situation. What? So it's like, okay, I'm moving on from the situation, I know this is not working out, I know this, I should be practical about the situation, but I'm still waiting for some kind of disaster to happen in the situation, so that I can move on completely. So they are waiting for that one excuse, for that one last slap on their face, or maybe one last disaster to happen in the situation, so that they can get the proper excuse to move on from the situation completely and permanently. Right now, even if they're moving on, they're not completely moving on, right? They're not completely in this energy of, oh, I'm never going to see Sagittarius face again in this lifetime. No, they're like, okay, I'm moving on, I know I have to move on, I know there's nothing left in the situation for me, but they want a last excuse, they want a last disaster, so that they can completely move on. Wow, what kind of, okay, I don't know, this is what they are going through. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the what we have. mm, 4th of May. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Seven of Cups. Okay, they are so emotionally, they're going to be in this energy of distracting themselves with multiple things, multiple people, multiple situation, but refusing to come towards you. They're holding on to this energy of pain, they're holding on to this energy of disappointment. They are thinking about you a lot whenever they are alone, whenever they have time, but they are trying their best to distract themselves with multiple things, multiple people, multiple situations, instead of coming towards you and maybe talking it out with you or sorting it out with you. They're like refusing to do that. So they might be having other people too that they are dealing with, or they are trying to create other situations where they are continuously busy. Okay, this person doesn't want to face the fact that they're still connected to you energetically. Instead, they just want to distract themselves with multiple energies. For you, the guidance here is the Empress. So it's like The more you are going to work on yourself right now, your personal happiness, growth, and expansion, the more it's going to be beneficial for you. Instead of waiting for this person or the situation to turn around in your favor and give you the best possible outcome, be the best possible version of yourself right now, because you have the tendency to attract a new love sooner than you can imagine. There are very good chances of a new person, new energy entering in your life very, very soon, Sagittarius, even if it is not a single reading. But I'm telling you that the more you are going to work on yourself, the more you are going to work on your own energies, the more it's going to be beneficial for you in the long term. Don't wait for this person. Don't wait for this person. In bold letters, do not wait. Move on and work on yourself. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.